I made my first $100 online from something I built in just 2 hours using Canva. No course, no fancy funnel, no crazy tech, just one simple printable product. And in this video, I'm breaking down 6 types of printables you can create today and start selling on autopilot, even if you are a complete beginner. Ready to see which ones could be your first $100 online? Let's go. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Karen. And back in 2020, I was a burnt out graphic designer with zero clue how to start an online business. I just knew I wanted time freedom and to stop trading hours for dollars. I started creating simple digital products, and now I run 2 6-figure businesses where I teach beginners how to turn easy digital products into serious passive income. And today I'm giving you the exact products that are working right now so you can start too. So let's start with the OG printable that made me my first sale, Printable Wall Arts. These are instant download art pieces people buy, print, and frame at home. Think quotes, minimalist line drawings, abstract art, or seasonal prints. I made my first $12 sale with a printable wall art, and I was hooked. People buy wall art every single day for offices, nurseries, kitchens, or just to redecorate. And you can create 10 pieces in Canva, bundle them, and list them on Etsy for $10 to $20 per set. And you don't need to be an artist. Canva templates and AI images can make this insanely easy. Start with 3 to 5 designs, upload, and let Etsy's built-in traffic work for you. And if you need ideas, grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide. It is packed with printable product inspiration. The link is in the description below. Next up in our list is planners. If there's one printable that sells year-round, it's this. Planners are high-demand digital products because they solve an ongoing need: organization. You can create daily, weekly, fitness, or business planners. On Etsy, simple 20 to 30 page planners sell for $7 to $27 each. A single planner selling 5 times a day at $15 can bring in extra $2,250 per month on autopilot. So if you've ever created a to-do list or meal plan, you can create a planner in Canva. It's about solving a real need, not overcomplicating the design. And I would love to know, which planner would you create first? A fitness planner, business planner, self-care planner? Drop the answer in the comments. The third product in our list are invitations. Because let's be real, there's a party happening somewhere every single day. Birthday parties, baby showers, weddings. People love customizable invitations they can download and print. And you can create a set of 5 editable templates in Canva and sell them for $10 to $30. Some shops selling themed invites make over $1,000 per month from just a handful of designs. The beauty of invitations is that it's evergreen. Birthdays and baby showers aren't going anywhere. And if you are not sure what niche to create for, that's where my Naomi Niche Bot comes in. It gives you a niche, freebie ideas, product ideas that fit together so you can start selling right away. And you can grab it in the description below. Fourth on the list are affirmation cards. These are huge in the self-care and wellness niches. You can design 30 to 50 cards with inspiring quotes or affirmations, pair them with aesthetic visuals, and sell them as printables or digital decks. On Etsy, affirmation card sets sell for anywhere between $7 to $15, and people love them for journaling or gift bundles. It's a niche that keeps growing. And what I love is that you don't have to be a life coach to make these. Use AI or your own favorite mantras, pop them into Canva templates, and you've got a full product. Number 5 on our list are coloring pages. And trust me, these are not just for kids anymore. Adults love relaxing with coloring books, and printable pages are trending. You can create designs around mindfulness, animals, or seasonal themes. You can sell single pages for $2 to $5 or bundles for $10 to $20. One good bundle can bring in hundreds every single month. And let me tell you, AI tools make creating unique designs super fast. Or you can also keep it simple by using Canva's elements. And if you want to learn how to create coloring pages step by step, make sure to check out this video right here. And finally, the last one on our list is budget sheets. Practical products sell like crazy because people are actively searching for solutions like monthly budget tracker or debt payoff sheet. You can create simple aesthetic budget sheets in Canva and sell them for $5 to $12 each or bundle them for $20 plus. These get consistent sales because they solve a real everyday problem. And if you're new, this is a great starting point. It's simple to create, useful for almost anyone, and can build you a loyal customer base. So create once and sell forever. I'm still earning from my very first printable product, and you could do the same. Start small, pick one idea, launch it, and watch the magic happen. And if you want to learn how to create, market, and sell your own products step by step, join me inside Canva to Cash. The link is below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's build your first $100 online together.